In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted Teams recordings in OneDrive files 5 minutes. If you've accidentally deleted a Teams recording or any OneDrive file, don't worry. Most of the time you can bring it back in just a few clicks. Teams meeting recordings from standard non-channel meetings are saved to your OneDrive, typically in a folder called Recordings. That's why we'll restore them through OneDrive's Recycle bin. Start by opening your browser and signing in to your Microsoft account. This is the same work or school account you use for Teams and OneDrive. Once you're in, look for the Apps launcher, the grid or waffle icon near the top corner. Click it to open the menu, then choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud files. On the left-hand side of OneDrive, click Recycle Bin. This is where deleted files and folders are held for a limited time based on your organization's retention settings. If you deleted something recently, it should appear near the top. You can sort or search to find the exact item. For recordings, try looking for file names that include recording or scan by the date you deleted it. When you see the file or folder you want to recover, select it. You can choose multiple items if you need to restore more than one thing at once. With your item selected, click Restore at the top. OneDrive will return them to their original location and folder structure, just as they were before deletion. For a Teams recording from a non-channel meeting, that's usually your OneDrive's recordings folder, give the page a moment, then navigate back to that original folder to confirm the file is back. If you still have the meeting link, it may start working again after the restore finishes. A couple of quick tips: if you don't see your file, try sorting by deleted date, expanding any groups of items, or using the search bar. Items only stay in the recycle bin for a set retention period, so older deletions may no longer be recoverable here. Also, if the recording was for a channel meeting, those are stored in the Teams SharePoint site instead of your personal OneDrive. In that case, check your Teams site recycle bin or reach out to your IT admin for help. And that's it. You've learned how to sign in, open the apps launcher, go to OneDrive, check the recycle bin, select your deleted recording or file, and restore it to its original location. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you recover what you need quickly.